On God, broskies and sisters, welcome back to another reaction video, man. I remain your boy, the mask creator, aka Niger Gangster. And on this side of YouTube, we do not partake in violence, but we definitely enjoy seeing violence. On God. And P.S., we haven't even reacted to any violent content for some time now. It's crazy because I feel like that was the essence behind this channel. It was all about violence, but we had to, branch out a little bit and do some laughter, some other stuff. I'm hot. Literally, I'm hot. But anyways, yeah. But yeah, we had to branch out and do some other stuff. You feel me? But today I want to react to something of a violent nature. Not this one right now. This one is a content by our brother Shanks Comics. He's literally the biggest content creator in Nigeria right now, if not Africa. I don't know, but in Nigeria right now, he's the biggest one, and I fuck with his content. I like what he's doing. He started from Twitter and then to Instagram, and he went to TikTok, and now he's on YouTube. He's like, oh wait, you know what? I'm gonna give you a subscription. Yeah, for sure. You deserve it. But yeah, so this is Boys versus Girls featuring Brodashaggi and Simisanya. I don't know who Simisanya is, but we're about to find out who she is. So without wasting much of our time, we go straight into the video. But before we do, please subscribe to my channel and click on the notification icon so you get notified whenever I drop a new video. Just do that right now. I'll wait. I'll give you like 10 seconds to do that right now. All right. Let me assume you've subscribed to my channel. I assume, and I thank you for doing that. So yeah, now we can go straight into the video. Let's see what the Boys versus Girls is all about. And the video is what, 30 minutes long. All right. All right.
I'm about to solve the biggest rivalry ever. Is it Ronaldo versus Messi? No. Is it Nigerian Jollof versus Ghanaian Jollof? Of course, no. Boys versus girls. Pop pass. Pop pass.
Yeah, mama.
Powerpuff Girls! Power! Powerpuff Girls! Power!
No, I'm not supposed to support anybody, but obviously we know that man is not he's not strong enough.
Don't worry. We're about to take over. Don't play.
Oh, yeah, no,
Okay,
yes.
you think you're on TikTok? So now,
No, I think you actually have a problem. You're actually picking sides.
I'm not picking sides, yo.
I supposed to be neutral.
you're not on point side.
Why
You're not on point
Why
side.
do you not say that I'm on TikTok?
You're not on TikTok. She's not on TikTok. She's not on TikTok. She's not on TikTok. So right here I have the boys and the captain Ed. Brodashaggi. Ha!
You know, let's have a clap. Are you mad?
You don't go.
I have one of the boys. His name is Junior. Junior, say hi.
Hi.
If I chose to say hi, don't waste my time. Emmanuel, say hi.
Wagwan. Hi.
You say I.
Ayomide.
Wagwan, bro.
Oh my Jesus. I have here the females. Simisanya and their captain Ed. Now you say you're not on TikTok. You're doing Kelly. You say you're not on TikTok.
What's your damn business, bruv?
I'm sorry.
Introduce my girls.
I have here Sarah. Say hi.
Say hi, Sarah. Hi.
Adenike, say something. Maureen. Maureen, say hi.
Hi.
So for the first challenge, who is smarter? Dun-dun. I'm starting with the boys. We shall get in this team. I feel they will lose this one already. So you guys have 1 minute to answer. The more questions answer in 1 minute, the more score for you. So I'll be bombarding you with questions for the next 1 minute. Time starts now. What is the official language of Brazil? They have not traveled. List one country that borders Nigeria.
Sorry, that
List one country that borders Nigeria.
Cameroon.
Niger. Eh?
Niger.
Oh, wait, first of all,
Niger?
how did you not know the official language of Brazil is Portuguese? How would you not know that? You don't know that? That's crazy. But I mean, yeah, okay, but whatever. I think you should know that. But
Wow, they don't travel international. That's correct. What's score for them? Who wrote the book Things Fall Apart?
Chinachebe.
Ah, that's mad. What is the tallest mountain in the world?
Mount Everest.
Everest, yeah. What is the president of Nigeria?
Who or what?
Who is who? DSS is who? Is who? Is that?
Okay, Brodashaggi said, what is the president of Nigeria? Now, really, what? Not who is what? What is the president of Nigeria? That's mad, bro.
Who is the president of Nigeria?
President Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu.
What is the largest ocean in the earth?
Mississippi.
Eh? Mississippi.
Oh, wait, is Mississippi even an ocean? It's not an ocean, it's a river, no? It's wait, if it's not a river, I will look stupid right now if it's not a river, but I don't think it's an ocean either. But anyways, Mississippi is nah, it's not an ocean, bro. Cannot be an ocean. Please correct me if I'm wrong. I think it's a river. Put it in the comment section if it's actually a river. But I don't think it's an ocean either. So yeah, we move.
What planet is known as the red planet?
Saturn.
Eh? Shaggy, hit me. Time up. Ah! What planet is known as the red planet? Shaggy.
Mama says Saturn.
Say Saturn.
Saturn.
He's mad. The answer just 4. The boys answer just 4 questions. Clap yourself.
Out of how many?
I didn't count. Clap yourself.
10.
Now to the girls. The girl. Now to the girls. Pop pass. Pop pass.
Stop shouting.
We are coming back. We are coming
It's
back.
not by
You are
shout.
making without a noise. Only
Eh,
4
now only
questions.
4.
Without a
Don't
noise.
talk too much.
The largest container made the
Wait, what the hell is Shank wearing, bro? Is Shank wearing? Is Shank wait.
We are coming
It's
back.
not by
You are
shout.
making without a noise. Only
Bro, Shank is stupid. Shank na better also. What the hell is you wearing? This guy himself is full comment. He doesn't even need to say anything. You just laugh. He's funny, bro. I love Shank, bro. I love Shank. Shank is my #1 content creator right now. What is Shank is crazy, bro.
And now only 4.
without a
Don't
noise.
talk too much.
The largest container made the oh fuck. Let's continue.
All right.
Are you ready?
Go.
As much question you can answer in 1 minute. Let's go. Who is the author of Ake?
Who is what?
I don't even know that, but it's
No,
it's
my
here.
time
You don't
cannot pass
know.
now.
What is the
Boy,
longest
don't-
river in the world in Africa?
River Nile.
River Nile, correct. In which country can you visit the ancient city of Machu Picchu? Don't worry, you can't know it.
Greece.
Eh? Greece. You are close. It's Peru. I want to say wait.
You know he's taking
In
his
which
precious
state
time.
is the town of Olambe located?
What was the land there?
You come to my video, you don't know where I come from. You have missed it. In which country would you find the greatest wall of China?
China now.
Wow.
China,
That's what I'm
man.
saying. Who painted the Mona Lisa paint?
Da Vinci.
Leonardo da Vinci. You gotta put the full name. Leonardo da Vinci on God.
Yeah,
That's
Da
correct. That's
Vinci.
correct. What is the currency of Japan?
Yeah.
Yon.
Ah, that's correct. Let's give him no book.
That one say yawn. That's yawn.
I'm ashamed of all of you here. What continent is the Sahara Desert located?
Africa.
Oh my Jesus. There's no hard question here. I'm looking for a question. In which country is the game of chess invented?
That's
Ah,
not
boy,
even
you was
That's
slow.
not
You was slow.
Answer the last one now.
No,
In which
no,
country is
it's
the
now.
game of chess?
You still
How many
don't
times did you
know.
answer?
5.
5! Wow! The girls won!
5.
5! Please get me a white shirt. I'm not my boy. What's our,
No way, dead
what's
Joe.
our slogan?
Pop off, girls.
You're disgusting. Now, for the next challenge, who is funnier?
They're funny, you don't worry.
It's not even a debate. Women are not. Before I get counsel for this shit, women are not funny, bro. The women are not funny. Yes. Only a handful of women. Only a handful of women are funny, bro. You are guys. When God was creating women, when He came to being funny, He didn't even add a drop. I think He had like just 2 drops. Like Yeah, that's how you guys were created. You guys are not funniest. You guys are not funny, bro.
So now we're starting with the girls. Can you send someone that have
Why
joke?
us?
Send someone that have
Ladies
joke.
first.
Send someone that have joke inside them.
I didn't have joke.
You have 1 minute. Your time starts now.
Hi guys.
Now let me see if I will laugh too. I'll be real serious.
Okay, so honestly, I'm not very funny, but my career depends on it. So if you laugh, people think I'm funny. Please laugh. Guys. Okay, I have a joke. One day, as I was going, Bolale, I asked her, Bolale, where are you going? Bolale, she told me, look at me, Joe. I'm going for a party. Bolale, to do what? Bolale, to dance. I'm not funny, you guys. Please, my career depends on this. Please laugh. Why are you not laughing? Please now.
You be mumu.
I've 1 minute to reach. Please laugh.
Ma,
Yeah, really.
I really wish people behind the scene are part of the game. You have won. But these people here, they don't have joy. Please, can you go back to where you started
I've
from?
1 minute to reach. I know you're pan.
Oh, yeah, now.
I've 1 minute to reach. Good. I can still
It's
make
the
you
time.
guys
We're trying to
laugh.
save you time.
My name, Famurekedi. My name is Sham.
You can laugh now. You can laugh and support her.
I'm very short.
Oh, wait, she said she said her career depended on it. Like, is she a comedian? If she's a comedian, that's not for you, bro. Just stop. Because yeah, I don't know. I think you're on the wrong career path if you are a comedian. Because like, what is you doing, bro? Nah. I actually want to laugh because I feel like, what the fuck is she doing? But being funny, telling a joke, nah, stop it.
Senseless. Famurekedi.
You guys can
I've
shout,
never.
She says she's senseless. Yeah. Yeah. Oh man.
Oh, why are you laughing?
Time up,
I'm
time up,
funny.
time up, time up,
My
time
laugh
up.
will make them laugh.
It's time up.
Time up.
You never
Okay.
reach now.
It's like you are doing transport. Just jump in. Stand up, Adi. Like, yeah, you can go back.
Wait.
It was funny, but we couldn't laugh.
I know, but that's what
I swear,
am I funny?
you are funny as fuck. You are funny as fuck. You are funny as fuck.
Please again. Go back to where you started from. Go
I
back.
go laugh.
Your career don't depend on us.
Wait, everybody shouts that I'm funny. It's not that I'm not funny. I'm
You are
funny.
explaining. There's no
My career depends
evidence.
on
There's no
this.
evidence. Nobody. There's no evidence. Now,
Alright, let's go.
I love her energy though. I love her energy, bro. She's funny, but she's like a comedian funny. Nah, she's just funny as a human being. And she's sweet. Don't take that the wrong way.
this is from the guys.
So make I go.
I swear.
You better do
No, we
it.
don't lose. Oh.
One representative from the guys. You're wasting
Bro, it has to be Brodashaggi, obviously. Like, who else do you want to send? It has to be Brodashaggi. So
time. Can you move your glasses? Joke is in the eyeballs.
It's very expensive, yeah.
Now stop. Oh, maybe you see. Oh.
This one is gonna laugh.
We just call action now. We don't win this round, though.
No, I'm gonna call action.
Because there's no time.
Action! Action, sir. You can't come here, matter. I will use it for people to shoot your neck.
Oh,
Why now?
we started, though. We don't.
he didn't even do anything and she's laughing. What is going on with you, bro? You're supposed to be the team captain and you're making your team fail. What is you doing?
You are a group leader. All of you are supposed to remove a wig and throw a wig away.
We
Ah, you guys just
Pop,
look at
pop,
her.
pass.
I need energy. What do you say?
Pop, pop, pass.
I think you guys could put some. What do you say?
Pop, pop, pass.
I was not laughing because it's funny. I just laughing because I'm funny. I'm not laughing.
You never told joke. Oh wow. You have lost,
For
sir.
it or not even funny.
Nice joke.
Don't worry, guys. Don't be angry. I'm angry. Leave a little. I'm sorry.
So you guys, intermission. So it's not best I'm supporting everybody, but we all know who is doing better.
You're being biased.
So the next round, who is better at teamwork?
We full ground for you now. We full ground for you. Nothing.
Can you do a slogan?
If I so work,
Can you do a slogan? I want to hear it.
Pop up girls. Power. Pop up girls. Power.
You guys.
Pop, pop, pop. Pop, pop, pop.
I am happy to have Totoyos. I'm happy to have Totoyos.
They sound like monkey.
Actually, you guys, though, you don't seem happy.
It's okay. Can you host what they say she hosts? That's what they employ for.
Maybe it's your video.
Rubbish.
So this time, the guys will go first. What you are doing now is charade.
What the hell is
You
going
guys don't know what charade
Follow
is.
those charades.
Put S, you want to put S?
It's charades actually.
In case you went to more of public school and you don't know what charade is. Charade is
Quite simple. One member of a team will describe a word without talking, and your team members must get it.
if you don't still get that, then forget about it. So now we're starting with the boys.
Bro, there's too many wires, cables, and shit on the floor, and it's just preventing me from moving how I want to move. You feel me? Okay, we good. We can continue.
Who is going first? There's no time.
Let's go.
2 minutes. 2
Ayomide,
minutes.
Ayomide,
2
let's
minutes.
go. Let's go.
Let's
go.
YouTube ads. Don't tell me to have to get YouTube Premium. I don't get paid from YouTube yet, so why would I have YouTube Premium? Can't do that. Hell nah, fam.
Just pick now. Yeah, close it
All
now.
right.
Cover it.
Let's go.
Yeah, describe it. Cover it now. Yeah, let's go.
Our time has started though.
The
Let's
time
go.
has started. The time has started.
Anger.
All right.
Hey, come and pick another one now.
Go.
How many you can answer in 1 2 minutes? You are going.
Another person go. If you don't do two.
Hungry. Stomach pain.
Stomach pain. All right. Let's go.
So check it. Sharp,
go.
check it.
But come here. How many times did you jump? How many times did you jump? Is this stomach pain? Go back there.
Cramps now. How would
So
they know
you
now?
You have to say the particular word.
Is it
That's it. You
one?
have to say the word. Yeah.
This boy, where the Ikorodu boy? No, you have to continue. Go and pick.
Let's go.
You have to get the particular word unless you're not living there. Cover it. You have to cover it, Joe.
Dog. Another person should go.
Cover it. Many pick. Cover it.
Go.
Many pick. You cover
Are we
it.
still?
Many pick. Read
Oh yeah,
it and
let's
cover
go.
it.
We still have 1 minute.
What thing be this?
Blowjob.
Okay.
Wait, that was a doggy. That was a doggy. That was a doggy. What the fuck? Bro, I can't even bring myself to do what bro just did. Like, pause. Man, nah, I'm not doing that. You can click the shit out of me, bro. Bro, that's mad, bro.
Let's go.
Check if it's doggy that
I've
is
seen.
there.
I've seen.
Sweep.
Boom.
Cutlass.
Cutlass.
Sweep.
Family?
Sweeping.
Cotton.
APC.
Grass.
Grass.
Let's go.
That was an APC. Not really APC.
Let's go. Move it. Nikini. Sagi.
Gone. Angry man.
I'm rubber.
Pickpocket.
I'm rubber.
Are you deaf and dumb? What the fuck are you doing?
Gunshot.
Police.
He said I'm robber. It's the same thing as
I'm
criminal,
robber
right?
now.
That
Minus one.
We still have 1 minute.
Yes.
No, you have said
Go back.
something.
You have said it.
Yes.
You're supposed to say it.
It's fine. Don't say it.
Minus one.
Exercise.
Exercise.
Protractor.
Stretch. All right. Let's go. Move it. Driving. Driver.
Driver.
So 2 minutes have not helped since.
Your time is up.
Taxi driver.
Your time is up. You started having a little like this. How many did the boys get?
Check.
3. Nice one. Minus one now. Let's go, the girls. Are you ready? Come here, pick something.
Nice one.
Cover it and ask them.
Karate. Fight. Skip. Brodashaggi. Oh yeah.
Brodashaggi.
Wait, the right but I shaggy.
Yes, Naim.
Cut. Sweep. Cutlass.
Fetch.
Pour.
Plant.
Bowl.
Family.
Well.
Pour. Well. Fetch. Bucket.
Borehole.
Bowl. Another one. Take another one. Take another one.
Take another one.
Take another one.
Must be
Planting.
farming.
Farming.
Possibly.
You don't farm me. You don't farm me.
Oh, you shocked
Take
me.
another one. Take another one.
You do it.
Can I take another one?
Yeah, take another one.
Oh, I've taken this one.
Okay. Take another
Wait,
one.
wait.
Give me, give me. Let me go. Let me go. Go.
You guys have not win anything.
No, they
Yeah.
will.
Hey.
Ah, voilà, deux. Okay,
Instagram. Facebook.
Uh,
Twitter. Yoga. TikTok. WhatsApp. Phone.
You just came and overtook the girl and now you can't even do it. Igwe over Savi, do it. You make your team lose now, this guy.
Phone like this now. She could just put her for you.
They don't get it. They don't get it. They don't get it.
don't worry, we're good. Alpha, timer. Check it.
Ah, these
Guys, we're winning
guys,
this round.
their teamwork is easy.
Penguin.
Zombie. Alien.
Penguin.
Pick another one.
Kukere.
Baby. Must be baby.
Baby.
The baby walks that way.
You know, baby. In Brodashaggi.
Cradle.
Hey, monkey.
Monkey.
Gorilla.
A horse. A horse.
Man, man.
Chimpanzee.
Banana boy.
I was saying Bonaboy. Gorilla. Brodashaggi is stupid, bro.
Are we getting it?
So we don't give up.
Hallelujah.
You're not the
Someone else to try now.
Are you advising them?
Whoa,
Are you supposed to be happy?
As in,
What the fuck is you doing? You just overtook the girl that was doing it, came and you can't even do shit. You haven't even gotten one thing right. What the fuck? What is happy? Maybe I don't know.
Yoga.
Yoga.
Dancing. Dance.
What do you do when you're dancing, God?
Dance, shaking your body.
Your time is up. Your time is up.
Pop, pop, pop. Pop, pop, pop. Pop, pop, pop.
All right. Let me know what this is.
Arika.
Really?
Chef Dami.
Nabele. See me do like this.
I did like this.
There's no evidence.
You were mostly
Perfect.
You
jumping.
will explain tire.
This one.
Now everything
Okay.
see me they use jump. Relax,
Oh,
they jump.
Gideon.
Everything was jump.
I go do us like
Let me
this.
do my.
It doesn't look like you were riding the horse. So
I go do us like
to
this.
do it like no,
Come,
you were doing like this.
I go do us like this.
Please,
So how is us?
No.
no.
The horse figure issue, like, we get motivated the dance. When the horse the dance, say, oh, fun.
No, it wasn't horse. It was horse riding. So I may ride down.
Bro, horse riding, you just go like this. You hold like this, and then how do you kick? You kick with your legs. You kick, and then you go to. You are doing good. What? What are you doing? And then for better, you like. Oh man, my coffee, my coffee is done. I have to go get another coffee, bro. I drink like 4 cups of coffee a day.
I'm riding the
Riding
horse.
the horse.
You go kill.
According to Andrew Tate.
You would have done. You can't talk. Hey, you cannot talk.
You could have just done this.
You should have done it. Come on,
So you guys, on this round,
They want
Yeah. Oh, these girls are funny, bro. Oh man.
now.
the boys won.
That's why.
Come on, politi yo.
Let's go next.
As you can see, the boys are winning 2-1. Girls, can you do your slogan again, just for the video? Yeah. Papa pass period.
No, it's Powerpuff Girls.
Pop-off girls. Power.
Wait. Powerpuff Girls.
Power.
Powerpuff Girls.
Power.
Say yeah to this.
It's so weak. Papa Girl Sparrow is so weak. It's weak. But the girls are fine though. They're fine as hell.
Boy.
Yeah.
So now to the last challenge, or second to the last challenge. Who is the bravest?
You are just setting us up. Because which one is who is
Because
the bravest?
what's brave in this?
Why do we have to be brave? Women were not made
We
to
are
be brave.
feminine.
They're not made to be
We are
brave.
just while we are
we are not a
princesses.
feminist.
We are not supposed to be brave. We are supposed to have
We
man
are
that will brave for us. We are just supposed to be.
You're supposed to have a man that will be brave for you. That's the dumbest shit I've ever heard, bro. What the fuck is that? Women are not brave. You've not heard of about Queen Nefertiti. You've not heard about. So what? There, bro. I swear, in high school we read novels about African queens, African warrior princesses that existed before Jesus Christ, before colonization and shit. You're telling me women are not brave? Your mom pushed you out. So if a woman who went through um um how do you birthing, she gave birth to one child. You know how the pain of giving birth to one child, and she decides to give birth to even 4 more kids, like my mom. You say that's not bravery? What the fuck is you talking about, man? Women are actually the bravest um beings. Women are braver than men, on God. It's only a woman that will know she can't beat you in a fist fight, but she wants to fight with you. Women are brave, though. Don't say that, bro. And like this one said, we are not feminists. So only feminists are brave. What the fuck is you talking about, man? Yeah, man.
Existing like princess.
So are you explaining that?
Princess have body guys.
Are you explaining already
That's
that you have lost this
princess.
challenge?
No, I've lost it. It's not even a fair challenge. Okay, why is it that? Why is it not who can be feminine?
Who can be what?
Yes.
Aja, you can't be.
What is you talking about, bro? Who can be feminine? What are you even talking about? What are you on about, bro? You see, the present day women, the new generation of women, I don't know what the fuck y'all doing, bro. I don't know. Y'all need to go. Y'all need to listen to your grandmoms. You feel me? Y'all need to listen to your grandmoms more and your mothers more. Well, not the women of the generation, but yeah, y'all should go listen to your grandmoms and shit. Talking about women can't be brave. We are not feminists. What the fuck is you on about, bro?
Be feminine more than Brodashaggi. Have you seen Brodashaggi past?
Eh?
Have you seen Brodashaggi in 2007? Have you seen Brodashaggi in 2007?
This is Brodashaggi? Yo, this is the true definition of dry bones will rise again. Brodashaggi has come a long way. I'm proud of what you became, Brodashaggi. You made it. This is Mama, we made it. If your throwback don't look like this and your currents don't look like this, you fade a lot, bro. Kudos to Brodashaggi, man. Damn. What year is this? I want to know.
So even though upon that, is it Brodashaggi
They
is on
go,
the
if
team?
you have seen it, Brodashaggi.
Shank,
Brodashaggi 2007.
take it from me.
Brodashaggi
2007? That cannot be true, bro. How can bro have? Nah, come on now. This is not 2007. But damn, Brodashaggi though. Yeah.
Again now.
Actually, you're
Oh
actually.
yeah,
want
let's
us to
dance.
You want us to do who is the weakest?
And
Yeah.
No, anybody can be brave.
You know what? Let's proceed.
so you guys, this is the who is the bravest part of the challenge.
I'm not brave, oh.
Please,
I'm not fucking brave.
please.
I'm not doing it. I'm going to be here.
Is she out?
Wait, oh.
You guys are meant to give the dog at least 2 food.
No, we don't want.
Which one is you don't want?
I don't want.
Please, I can't.
I cannot do this.
You are holding somebody. Yes. Who is holding somebody waist there?
Oh, tapping out, bro. Tapping out, bro.
I can't.
Tapping out for shit,
Yes,
bro.
stop now.
Bro, I ain't doing that shit with nobody. I don't even give a rat's ass.
I can't be there. It's my video, but nah, I ain't brave. I ain't that brave, man, bro.
Wait, where's Simi?
See me run away. See me then they go out.
That was say, brother. Oh my days.
I say, brother. Stop.
Everybody, I mean, everybody fed this dog except the leader of the Powerpuff Girls.
Bro, this is really crazy. How is she the team's captain and she's blown the points for the team, bro? She made the team lost two points or two games. I don't know. The first one was the try not to laugh challenge, and she was the only one who laughed. And now is the brave challenge, and she's the only one who ran away. Like, how is she the team captain, bro? Who made her the team captain? She's the one feeding her team, bro. That's mad.
Please, don't bring him here. Please, I beg you in the name of God. Please, I have dog phobia. Please. I'm brave. I'm very brave.
Please, which camera is on Simi? Can they zoom on her face? You ran away from the set. It remains more in your other ride and we're going away. Because of dogs.
And so?
So because of Simi, the girls lost. Can you do your slogan again? Pop, pop, pop.
From the beginning, Shank, you actually been biased towards us, but it's fine, it's no problem.
We need a gender
what
neutral
like what's meaning of bravery test? Like duh. Please, let's proceed.
Dirty dog chase you. Duh. Powerpuff Girls don't they lose 3-1. Powerpuff Girls power.
Puff pass.
It's plenty for you now.
Now, girl, to the sweet review. Everybody here, except the captain of the two teams, they are all couples. Can you believe that love still exists? Sometimes, would you name team him over? I want to weep. Please, can you all go and meet your girlfriend and your boyfriend? Please, can you put the emotional song in this part? I mean, you guys are lying. You're not. Go and meet your relationship. To the last challenge, this challenge is the only option, is the only way that the girls can have opportunities to win this challenge. If anybody that wins challenge have 5 points, so if the girls mistakenly win, 3-1 we turn to what? 6-3. This is my video, I can change anything. So now, the challenge is couple challenge. Each couple will come outside and will play mind games. This challenge is simple. Who is the most mischievous, most cunning, most manipulative? So can we go outside and come out couple by couple? Let's go. Couple one. You guys leave the video first. Leave the video first.
Say you hold me.
My bad.
This last challenge involves 2 boxes. One with a valuable ring, one with a rock. You have to trick your partner to pick the rock.
Couple one. What's your name, please?
Junior.
Junior.
Yeah.
But with this your height, you are a senior. Oh, you are blushing.
Get ready.
Oh, blush.
I'm sorry, Shank, but we have to skip the advert. You feel me?
You guys play rock, paper, scissors. The winner of the rock, paper, scissors will open the box first. Let's go. Do you know what rock, paper, scissors? You look like a trenches boy. When you be thinking it's Tinko, it's rock, paper, scissors.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Rock will break scissors now.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Now you open your box
Open it.
first. Remember the rules, don't tell her what's there, don't show anybody. Play your mind game. The box is not open. Use fingerprints. You touch it, fingerprints.
It's not playing.
We like physicality in this group. Wow!
So, what is inside? What is inside? You're supposed to tell me. Okay, tell me something.
The 10 seconds is counting.
No, what is inside then? If you tell me what is inside, then I'll accept if I want to accept what you said. Talk now.
It's doing it.
He said there's a stone in it.
How did they going, babe?
You have to do this. Your time is counting.
Are you sure?
Yes, me.
Okay. It's the ring. I choose this box.
You choose the box?
Yes.
You believe it's the ring that's inside?
Yes.
Are you fine with her choosing that it's the ring inside? Or you?
Yes.
Time up! So she said, is the ring that is inside? Wow. Give me your box. Wait it. Okuta ló wà ńbẹ̀. Okuta. He's still inside. So the guys have lost 1 point. Wow, Baji. You are a bad guy. He said it's a stone that is there.
Men.
Long throat. Long throat.
Never trust Adam.
Couple 2. Pull up.
What you mean never trust Adam? He told you it's a stone. He told you the truth. You were the one who was being skeptical. You said you wanted the box with a stone. Why you saying men? He told you the flipping truth. Yeah, but oh God, man, I love the video, bro.
Ó yẹ kẹ́ dámọ̀. Ó yẹ kẹ́ jẹ́lọ. Ó yẹ kẹ́ ṣọmọ. Do you guys fight before you come here? No smile, nothing. Wow, that was cute. So, rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, You're opening first. Who is more mischievous, manipulative, cunning? Do you want what's in that box? Communicate. You guys are wasting 30 seconds is going.
Just guess.
Yeah, I don't know.
It's a rock. The stone, sorry.
The stone.
Yes.
I want that box.
Are you sure you want to give him the rock?
No.
But I want the rock now. Give me.
He said you want the rock. Give him the rock. I mean, you want the rock? You're gonna get the rock. You want the rock? You will get the rock. He said, I want the rock. I want the rock. Now you have the rock.
She was being honest, bro. You could tell in her eyes. The eyes, Chico, the eyes, they never lie. You could tell, bro. You could tell she was saying the truth. And you fell for it still. But
I like this. What's on the opposing? You better be serious. Where you wear black.
Wagwan.
If you don't win this one, I'll give you a book. You know if you guys win this one,
damn, I like those shoes.
Be serious. Yeah, lick your lips. You still lick lips.
Mine will go touch ground.
Your mind will go touch.
I love those shoes, bro. Those are Nike. Is that it? Oh, that's the donks, right? That's a dunk. Yeah, those are hot sneakers right there. That shit fire. That shit fire.
Guys, yeah, baby, she did cut. I just mean, if you like, no guide.
Yeah.
So now, rock, paper, scissors. She won. The paper will cover the rock. Yeah, now you open your own face. Use your paper. I tell you she's a cuttist too. Don't believe her.
What do I have here?
What do you have there?
Please be audible.
What do you think I have?
What do you say?
What do you think I have here?
You guys can say pigeon because what do you say is shaking? That's how you be comfortable.
And this shark now as well. What the fuck is wrong with this boy? Let them be comfortable, bro.
Okay.
I like your comfort.
Oh, yeah,
Or Yoruba.
Okay. It's Yoruba.
What do you think I have here?
Time is going.
I have rock here.
She's right.
Am I in the game? Which one will you say she's right?
Oh, she has the ring there. She has the ring there.
The ring, have you?
Yeah.
Can I open it?
What do you say she have here?
The ring.
So you won the box because it's the ring that's there. You won the ring.
Yeah.
Where do you stay?
Ipaja.
Eh?
Ipaja.
Baja. Otija. You have ja? Is the rock right there? You don't get set! You don't get set! This one check out! This one's good out!
Break my leg! Oh, yeah!
I told you guys! See, girls are the most...
We suppose.
So the 3-1 lead that the guys had has just been How do you now? Obli. Okay, you know what? The 3-1, let me say it in a different way. The 3-1 lead the guys had just went into oblivion. Yeah, went into oblivion, but obliterated? What's the word? Obli something. I have to go because I won't come out looking stupid like that. Obli, obli. Obliterate has just been obliterated. English now, your mates. Oh my fucking days, fam. The 3-1 lead the guys just had has just been obliterated on God. But hey, the 3-1 lead went into oblivion. I love that one more. Oblivion on God, bro. English is a stupid language, bro. English now, your mates. God damn. My friend, shut up. You didn't do nothing. You didn't do nothing. You're fine, but fuck it. You didn't do nothing. It's your team gave you the win. Shut up. You made your team lose two games, bro. 2 points or 2 games. That's crazy. So don't be here acting like you did nothing. You didn't do anything. You hear me? On God.
I'm very brigandage. I'm mesmerized.
You're
Do
very,
your slogan.
you're very what? Brigandage? What the fuck is that? Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. You cannot kill me with your English like that, my guy. What did you say? Oh, this guy get energy, bro. I love her energy, bro. On God, I love her energy. You did smoke? You did do you partake in the communion? You don't? All right then.
I'm very brigandage. I'm mesmerized.
I'm very brigandage. I've never heard that word before, but yeah, we're gonna keep add that one in. Wait, hold on. Let me hold on. Because you can't brigandage. Brigand. Oh, brigandage. Oh, it is a word. All right. Wait, hold on. Hold on. We go. I searched Google and it came to me in German because yeah, but it's everything here is in German. You see that shit? So let me brigandage of English. Brigandage of English, was soll das bedeuten? Yeah, I guess you didn't know I speak German, huh? I speak German. Don't play with the boy. I am multilingual. No, I'm trilingual. I hope I'm trilingual. Fuck that. I used to be quadralingual. I used to be quadral. Is that a word? I used to be quadralingual, but now I'm just trilingual. If this is not correct, bro, I might go viral with this shit. I don't care, bro, but whatever, man. Wait, what does that mean in English? Wait now, what is wrong with this shit, bro? Wait, hold on. Brigandage. Oh yeah, no. My phone now, because my phone is on German. Whenever I go on Google, they always write everything out in German, and I hate it. It's a French word. Brigandage is the life and practice of highway robbery and plunder. So it doesn't even correspond with what bro just said. Oh my God,
Do
bro.
your slogan again, man. Waiting.
People gone now, not to spoil.
Which guy you fool?
Okay, at this point, we just want to say that, you see, Shank, after all your bullshit you did today, you still, the people that you support. Why you did naked yourself?
You say what?
Oh, you.
Okay, Shank.
Oh, you want to be one?
Oh, people girls.
You said period. Period.
Wow.
Period.
I'm going to punish all of you. So you're putting me through.
You say period. Pop girls, period. Pop girls.
Period.
Oh, let me tell you something.
Pop girl.
So you guys, the boys versus girls video is over. I don't know who is better. There's nobody that's better. All genders are equal and the best. But for this my video, big four, big
You have the balls.
So you guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Don't forget.
Tell them.
Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Wait, so we don't go win anything like this.
Eh?
We don't win anything.
Take the rock, take the rock.
The rock you call. Ọ̀gá má fà ló. The rock is báwo.
Brodashaggi.
Yeah.
Brodashaggi.
Ọ̀gá go give us money.
You can't hold a female like this.
I didn't know.
Leave our girl.
That's all. Subscribe. I love y'all. Let's go. Gang shit.
Hey, als Softwareentwickler findest du auf Instafo nicht nur 690 Jobs mit 100% Remote-Optionen.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Hey, that's the end of the video, man. Dope content from Shanks, bro. Yeah, that's the video. Thank you guys for checking out the video with me, man. And yeah, leave a like, comment your favorite part of the video. Hit the subscribe button, bro, and yeah, hit the subscribe button. And what was I gonna say? Hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever I drop a new video, and follow me on my social media platforms if you want to. But the main objective for me right now is to hit 1,000 subscribers before the end of the year, man. So yeah, so I hope I can get that done. That's the goal for now, because it's a new channel. I've been doing this for like a month. Yeah, a month and 2-3 weeks, probably. Let's just say 2 months, I think. But hey, yeah, I hope to see you on the next video, man. I wish you a wonderful day, and peace out.